Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use NordVPN. As you can see, we have Nord right here and we're going to open it. And here you can see the map of the world. And this basically is showing you where the different IP addresses are. And when you're connected, you will see a highlighted area just on the map. Now, NordVPN does well when you've signed up and you're on a payment plan. However, we will be showing you some of the features of NordVPN. For example, you can go from the bottom to slide up, and then you'll see the different countries where you can choose your location. Do take note that some countries have the three dots there at the extreme right to show you that there are more cities. And of course, you can see in Canada, there are 3 cities. When you tap on the 3 dots there, you can see different places: Montreal, Toronto, and Vancouver. And it also does a nice job of showing you the number of servers that are available. And going back, you can choose other countries, and the same process can be repeated by choosing what you want, depending on the country. There are also specialty servers, such as Double VPN, Onion over VPN, and P2P. If you're looking for such, you can go ahead and make use of it. Now, these are the countries where you can use Double VPN as it's available here on NordVPN. This adds a double layer of security, as you might have guessed it, and this is great if you want an added layer of security. Now, at the bottom still, we've tapped on the second icon there, and this stands for the threat protection. This provides enhanced security for scam and phishing websites, intrusive ads, and it helps you to save on your mobile data. And on the third icon here, you get to see your statistics. For example, if you're currently connected, you can see IP address, connection time, protocol, weekly time protected, current streak and maximum streak, and longest connection. These details are important if you'd like to have a report on your activities on NordVPN. At the top, you can see it's currently disconnected, and that's why it's saying not connected. And then at the last option here, you can see Welcome to NordVPN, where you get to sign up or log in. Just below, you have the dark web monitor, security score, and down here, you have shortcuts to MeshNet multi-factor authentication, and if you'd like to contact NordVPN. There are other services with NordVPN, such as NordPass, NordLocker, NordLayer, and Sally. However, when you've signed up and you're logged in, all you need to do for the average user is to come over here at the first option here. And then when you've signed up and you're logged in, the button to connect will be there. And of course, you can come down here, select the country. And when you tap on the area, you will be connected to NordVPN for maximum protection. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.